Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the could not find game executable error on FiveM. So this happens when you have moved your game file from a hard drive to another, or if you have downloaded the FiveM and downloaded GTA 5 on another location or another hard drive. So FiveM doesn't find the game right on. So let's get straight into the tutorial. First, go to your file explorer and then go to your hard drive where you have downloaded the game. So here I'm gonna show you what I do for my computer personally. So I go to the Windows SSD and then go to the Steam library, Steam apps, then common, and then GTA 5. Now here, this is my process. Maybe it won't be the same for you, but just try it and see if it works. Okay, now go to GTA 5 and then here, as you can see, there is a path. You need to click on it once and then, like you see, the path in the top. So it will be automatically selected. Now you just have to copy it by holding Ctrl and C and then go to your FiveM folder and click on FiveM application data. Now you'll find all these files. You just need to select the citizenfx.ini file. Now right click and edit. Now here you will find the path that was originally put in when you installed FiveM. You just have to remove the path that was on it and replace it with the new path, which is this one. So that was it guys, now your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.